The puppy fight. Piggy fight. Puppy fight, let's see. Sit and watch the puppy fight. Get away. What going on? What? What the heck? Mm. Mm. Now they break up. No brother forever. That this thing came back on. What you? Yo! You! Other doggies. You little budjikanas. I will turn you into a budjikana. Hmm? Hmm? Not again! Not again, bro! Not again! The cameraman doesn't need it. Wait. Haha. Where is what the? No, dude. Ha! Can't reach anything. Stupid little dumb. Where are you going? Guess it's just going to somewhere else. Huh? Huh? Hey, yo! There we go. Thanks, bro. You did a good job. Why are you biting your mother's leg? What? What? That's not a chicken. Bro, why are you so mad at your mom? Never get mad at your mom. You'll be grounded. Bro, why I just don't care. My life is the worst. Hey, yo, what are you doing, huh? Huh? Bro, no. It's biting its own leg. How could this thing be? Alright, bye. I'm wearing a sweater right now. It's so cold.